beautiful singing you were doing, and then I turned the camera on and they stopped. Now we got some chirping. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Your curatorship. How about you, Prime Minister Mazel? You were singing so beautifully. Come on, get some singing. Everybody's waiting. No? It's okay, darling. There's a photo of a parakeet on the side that they see of my iPod. Maybe that's maybe I should take that off and leave it all. Maybe it's I don't know. Just a guess. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here today, Carnegie Hall tomorrow, Royal Albert Hall in London the day after. Yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you. All right, there you have it. Shabbat singing Saturday morning. So November something or other. 2024. In the year of the Holy Gefilte and Holy Lutefisk. All right.